How to customize a GoDaddy website section content. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to customize a GoDaddy section or website section content. So we are going to head over or start by heading over GoDaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find the websites that we want to modify or customize the sections for. Click on the website, and then we're going to be on right here on the dashboard of it. We're going to head over to the right side of the screen, click on your website, and select the button Edit Website, just like that. Now, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. Boom, we are going to be on the website editor. Here we have it. Now we are going to be on this part. So these sections are going to be nominated from the first one, which is going to be the header section, the body section, and finally the footer section. If I click on any section, it is going to be showing up on the right side of the screen that we can modify or edit it. For example, the header, we can modify the section of the header, like having background changed, cover media changed, alignment of text, whatever you want. If I am going to select this section, which is going to be, I don't know here, a content section or blog section, we can go ahead and modify each one of the, as you can see, content here. So I have clicked on the section itself. We have the layout. We can change the layout of the section. Like this is the selected one, best for a long list of items, etc. And we can go ahead and see the background. As you can see, we can modify the background of it to this, that, or whatever theme color that you have chosen. The alignment of the text and the title. As you can see, this is the title of the section. Now for the section groups, we have 6 out of 12. You can add, modify, edit, or delete a group, as you can see, like that. So I can at the end add a pay or an action button to that specific section or that specific essay content. So that was pretty much it. So I have shown you here. So we are going to see all the content of the section here. I'm going to select this section, for example. This is the blog section. I can see that I can modify the layout, the background, the title, and the post from showing. This one is going to be a quote section. I click on it. I can see the layout. I can change it. I can see also the background alignment and everything, and I'm going to change it, and everything is going to be in place. Also, for the subscribe and the footer section also is going to be changeable. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.